Hi folks, how we doing? Welcome to another video. Chris has done it again and sent me something else. I'm not quite sure what it is. So we're going to open it. As you can see, I'm at home. So at least I'll be able to get his name right. So Kahnawake, Utah Garage and Workshop. This is what he sent me. As I say, fucking Danny Growless, eat more balls. Definitely fucking know it's from him. Needs to get his lighting sorted out, it's all reflecting off his head. So, anyway, got a Stanley blade. Let's have a look. I haven't got a tripod or anything, so I'm trying to do this one hand. Let's see, make it a bit easier. Look at that. What's he sent? He sent me some welding clamps. For fuck's sake. I like them. They look pretty good. I'll have to check them out. So, thank you again, Chris. Go check out his channel. When you do, don't forget to subscribe. And then make sure you hit all notifications for his channel. Where's he at a minute? He's at 352 subscribers at the minute. Go check out his channel and support him. Give him some abuse about his forehead. I did actually do the outro at home, but I was speaking to Chris and he was saying that they're a cheap pair of vice grips. So I thought I'd actually bring them down the unit and I'll compare them to some of the other brands that I've got. So these are the ones that we've just got in. These are a proper set of Irwin vice grips. These are some Silverline vice grips. I did say Silverline on it somewhere, there it is. And then these are some Nielsen ones. So these were cheap as well. As you can see, I only paid £7 for these. I'd actually love to know what marker they use, because I've had these about 8 years and it hasn't rubbed off, wore off or anything. So you can see I do use them. So we all know the proper Irwins, you know. It's quite hard to do one hand. You know, they're just they're the proper ones, aren't they? So, I mean, the test of all mild grips like this is the click. So that's what you need. So these cheap Silverline ones that I bought, you can see I ended up having to fucking weld it there because it fucking just opened up straight down that hole, and you can see they're actually all fucking twisted and bent. Well, these do have a relatively nice click to them. So these are shit. These were about 13 quid for a set of 3. They come with these, the claws, and the flat bits as well. These actually well impressive. These, although these are sort of hit and miss. You know, they're strong, they're straight. Real nice click. So let's come to these. Now these are actually a little bit longer. These are 14-inch opposed to the 11s. I think that one's actually a 10, but it doesn't matter. So it's got the extra ribbon. The jaws line up real nice. There is a little bit more play than I'd sort of want normally, but it depends what you're doing, you know. Yeah, quite nice. One thing I did notice is the thread in these ones is a little bit smaller than these ones, but it's not the end of the world. You know, I've put some decent pressure on them to clamp it up, but they have a nice click as well. You know, and that was obviously the bench. They open up easy enough, and clamp together easy enough. So I'll have a word with Chris and find out what make they were. And I'm quite happy with them. They're quite cheap, and then I think he paid £8.99 for them, UK, sort of pound sterling. So that's not bad. That's pretty good. I do quite like them. I might actually order some more. I don't know where he got them from. Yeah, so that is it. I just thought I'd bring them down here, sort of compare them to the other ones that I've got. So yes, that's going to be it for this video. Please check out my friends in the description box below. Please have a look at my merchandise store, my Teespring store. Please have a look at my Patreon. Try and support me where you can. Most of all, go check out Chris's channel, Kahnawake, Utah's Garage and Workshop. I think I got that right. I'll put the link there. So I think it's that side. Maybe that side, I don't know. The link will be up the top, plus there's links in the description, and I'll see if I can get a link for these clamps as well. So yeah, I'll catch you for the next one. Bye.